Good morning, everyone, and a warm welcome from my side and the whole Straumann team to open this corporate forum. This is obviously a very exciting moment for all of us, and I would like to start by thanking all of you for joining us today for this early morning session. At Straumann, we are driven by a fundamental belief. The potential within each person is endless. We are not just developing and manufacturing dental solutions and services. We are in a mission to empower individuals and make a tangible difference together with all of you as dental professionals. Every strategy we develop and implement is crafted with the intention of serving our customer clinician better, whether it's through innovation, education, or simply going the extra miles on the service side, as our goal is to continuously seek efficient and creative ways to meet and exceed your needs. Our purpose, vision, and mission are clearly the definition of who we are and who we are aspiring to be. They are not just simple words. They are the commitment we make to ourselves and to every clinician we serve. Together, they guide us in making decisions that not only drive our business forward, but also foster meaningful impact in the lives of people around the world. Our ambition is bold and clear. We aim to reach the milestone of 10 million smiles by 2030. It is not just about number, it is about the impact we make together with you through our innovative products and solutions. In 2023, we have already impacted 5.6 million smiles. This significant achievement marks not just our progress as a company, but more importantly, it highlights the numerous individual stories behind this number. Every smile we bring to patients is more than a measure of success. It's about restoring confidence. Witnessing all those patient stories is reminding us why we do what we do every day and why we are continuing to push forward with innovation and dedication. As we reflect on the significant progress we have made on our goal of 10 million smiles, it is important to recognize the foundation of our success. Three essential pillars: innovation, education, and clinical evidence lie at the heart of our journey. They are not just part of our strategy. They are the core of our identity at Straumann. Our commitment to education measures the benefits of our innovations extend far beyond our products. Innovation has driven us forward already for 70 years as we continuously seek out developing new concepts that can improve clinician experience and patient outcome. Supported by solid clinical evidence, our innovations stand not just as products, but represent the safe and predictable long-term treatment solutions. In parallel to product innovation and geographical expansion, we are also pleased to invest significantly in the digital dimension to drive simplicity and efficiency within dental practices. Our key focus is to master advanced technology to create the best integrated and seamless customer experience. Connecting and storing digital data directly on our new cloud-based access platform is giving clinicians the opportunity to have all Straumann software and digital services at their fingertips. It is a comprehensive online customer portal that centralizes the group's dental applications, many of them being already powered by artificial intelligence. The outcome is a significant improvement of the clinician experience, and it drives the expected efficiency of digital workflow in the practice. Finally, education has always been part of the Straumann DNA. Our partnership with the ITI represent more than just a strategic alliance. It reflects our shared commitment to a patient-centric approach in dental treatment, but also the search for excellence. Together, Straumann and the ITI are setting clear standards in implantology, and through merging our distinct capabilities, we create an unparalleled educational experience. It is now time to conclude this introduction by wishing you an excellent session and congress. And now please join me in welcoming the chair of the session 1 to the stage. Thank you.